unboxing this Ozark Trail camping tool set for recreational activities, emergency situations, survival, cutting, chopping, all outdoor activities. First piece, the sharpening stone for all these knives and blades, 50-foot utility cord, two 6-centimeter carabiner hooks, magnesium fire starter stick. It has a little hole you can put a string and put it over your neck for convenience. This knife here is best to start the fire with it. 180 lumens flashlight, 3 AAA batteries included. It can run 2 hours, 60 meters beam distance. This paracord-wrapped handle hatchet. It is super sharp. It cuts through a thin sheet of paper. It comes with these little plastic tips for safety. A handle knife, also wrapped with paracord. Great for a secure grip. It can be unwound for emergencies. 10-inch machete, sharp enough to shave a nail. All of the sheaths for the knives are in the back of the box. They fit tightly and secured with a push button. The hand knife has a little pocket for the fire starter. There's a slot behind the sheaths to put it onto a belt or use the carabiners to attach them anywhere. A practical kit for a variety of outdoor scenarios.